Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Munchkin Fishin bath toy. Super cute first fishing pole. The magnets are strong, stick together easily, but come apart easily. Hope the screw part actually worked, but it would be more pricey if it did. 5 years old loves playing with this in the bath. He gets so excited when he catches something. It's great for coordination. Great product for bath time. More fish would have been nice. Product comes with 3, and if the reel would retract that would be great. The parts are made well where he can toss the fish around without them breaking. This makes a fun reeling noise, and he likes that the magnet bobbers stick to the side of the tub. Other than that, this toy has gone through lots of baths, and so far so good. The fishing pole is so cute with a noise-making crank, and the bobbers are so cute. She's more interested in the toy ball looking parts, but good steady toy for a little one. Great toy, quality, and fun, and has drain holes so water doesn't get trapped inside. They work great, and the magnets are super strong so that the pole can catch the fish from half an inch away, and under bubbles, or around other toys. And the fishing role play is good fun for you since you gotta sit there anyways. The pieces are a pretty strong plastic that seem to hold up when they inevitably get thrown around. This one is by far her favorite, and she loves to play with it in the bath. Now this is one of her most favorite bath toys. She loves catching the little creatures. The sturdy plastic is all sealed, so there doesn't appear to be any places for water to get stuck, and mold to grow. Only downfall is that string doesn't move, but it makes the noise like you're moving it when you turn the handle. The handle gets water in it pretty easily, so you do have to drain it when you're done. Gave this to our grandson on his first birthday, and he has played with it quite a bit out of the bathtub. Colorful, and easy to hold for little hands. It makes a cute coiling noise when being turned, but carries no action from the line itself. This toy should last a long, won't have to worry about mold, so definitely worth it to me. It makes a reeling noise which is great, but the length of the string never moves. The magnets are nice, and strong, so her hand-eye coordination doesn't have to be perfect for the fish to pull onto the pole. 8-mo-old can't really appreciate it for what it does yet, but he likes to bang it around. It's very small, and doesn't actually reel in when you turn the crank, but he thinks it's great. Having a hard time bathing her BC, she keeps trying to get out of the tub. So if you are playing with them on the floor not in water, you have to set them up right to work. Be aware, you cannot actually reel in the fish with this fishing rod, which was too bad. It would be better if the reel actually reeled, and the fish sank. They float. Magnets and bumps are perfecting place that no matter what, the magnets are always facing in the correct general direction that you can fish them up easily. It's cute, has little magnets in it, so it's easy for them to catch the little fish. The swinging line makes it more fun and challenging than a bath scoop or net toy. The magnet is strong enough that they can actually catch the toys, but not too strong to keep them from getting them back apart. The little bobbers float on top of the water, and they are easy to catch with a fishing pole. She got over it, though, and it is now her favorite toy, in and out of the bath. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.